Hi, I'm Lisa Balthaser, and if you run your business using 5 or more apps that don't talk to each other, you have fallen into the software trap. Let me explain. If you have a scheduler, invoicing, if you're doing this over here, you are wasting time and you are in the software trap. In this video, I will show you how to instantly cut down on the tools you are using and get your job done more efficiently. Okay, so the key points today are really streamlining what you're doing and putting in systems that actually make sense for your business. The software trap, so many people have fallen into it. So many people believe they need all the tools, but the truth of the matter is that you only need the tools that you use. So today we're going to talk a little bit about how you can evaluate your business and see where you fall in this particular area. Okay, so here's the thing. Manually syncing all of those things has a cost, and the cost is time. The true cost of fragmenting is high monthly fees, separate tools, wasted time on manual data entry, moving a lead from one place to another, and this wastes your critical time, and it also increases your chance for errors. Okay, so it creates complexity, not efficiency. And I want to show you how you can actually have more efficiency in your business instead of complexity. Okay, and that's what we are focusing on today. So I am going to give you a 3-pronged approach just to assess where you are now and what it is that you need. And you'll also have an opportunity to schedule a call with me. Okay, so we're going to go through a 3-step consolidation strategy for you today. And that will give you a brief overview of what you should be looking for. Okay, so you want to do a tech stack audit. So you want to identify 5 to 7 the tools that you're using and determine which tasks are necessary. Do you need to invoice? Do you need to schedule? Do you need to capture leads? Do you need to collect payments? Okay, see, and which ones are you using every single day and which ones talk to each other? Okay, because you may be using some of those tools. Okay, and I talk to a lot of people that use spreadsheets to track certain things, but those spreadsheets aren't really talking to some of the other tools. So you have your data on your spreadsheets over here, but you don't have it where you actually need it to help grow your business. Okay, so today we're going to look at some of those things, and we're going to talk about how you can actually streamline. Okay, so step 1 is evaluating those tools. Your top 5 to 7 tools that you're looking at, you really want to cut those down. If you're using 5 to 7 tools, and most people are, some people use tools for scheduling, some people use tools for invoicing. I worked for somebody that was actually using different tools to invoice and different tools to track customers and payment data. It was really weird. I didn't understand. It didn't make sense to me why they were using different tools for different things when you should be able to use some of the same tools to accomplish that. So step number two. So you want to evaluate where you are first. Okay. And if you want my help with this, I will certainly give you the opportunity to schedule a call with me, because this is something that many of you are frustrated with, trying to keep up with all of the things. And I'm going to help you and show you how to cut down on some of those things. Okay, so the first thing is evaluating where you are. And the second step is actually implementing a unified hub. Okay, and what that means is one central location where your client management system is located. It's your hub. It's one place that you keep all of the data. You're tracking your clients, you are talking to them, you are having those conversations, and you are keeping notes on the conversations that maybe you've had with them. You are also invoicing them, and you are sending them communication. So one central hub that does all of those things is what you want to shoot for. Okay, so many times I see people using email marketing systems, but their email marketing systems only send email. They don't track what process they're in. They don't track the conversations that they've had. That's in a different location. Okay, so you want to have one single hub that eliminates the need for redundant software that can help you and pull everything together on each client for you. Okay, and I can help you to set that up. Now, step number 3 in this process. So number 1 is you're going to evaluate where you are. Number 2, you want to put it into one central hub. Okay, and that can look it can look a couple different ways, and I can help you to determine what is right for you and what would work for you. Step number 3 is simply to automate the data flow. Okay, once you have it centralized, you want to capture the leads, then you want that come in from your website or maybe social media or maybe ads, whatever your leads are coming from, then they should automatically be able to schedule an appointment. They should automatically be able to get invoiced and automatically be able to have email sent to them. Okay, this should be seamless. It should be easy. And you should have that located in one place that makes it really simple for you to actually get the job done. Okay. No more nights moving this data over here and this data over here. No more nights spent pulling your hair out trying to keep up with all the software. It should be in one place. And I am here to help you with that. Okay. So you're going to implement it without manual intervention, okay? Automate it. Okay, those are things that can easily be automated. You don't want to take you out of it because you are the reason people are coming to you, but you want to be able to automate the things that make sense to automate, okay? So in the real world, what does that look like, okay? So if you are using, say, QuickBooks for invoicing or payroll, for instance, but you're using another software to do your social media posts and send your emails and your communications out, okay, it doesn't really make sense because you are using 2 different softwares. When I was helping a client of mine with the company that he had QuickBooks was creating invoices, but the other software was creating invoices also. And it never made sense to me because that's redundant. I mean, who needs 2 invoices? Okay. You need one place where you send the invoice from and collect the payments from. Okay. So it should be seamless for your customers. It should be seamless for you. Okay. You shouldn't have to go to do things in 2 different softwares to actually communicate with one customer. So you want to consolidate those tools into something that makes sense for your business, one system. And not only did I help him to see those things, but we actually cut down on some of the data transfer and freed up some time, energy, and allowed him to actually do more ads and more focused communication with his current clients. And that's what you're looking for. Okay. So you're looking for those revenue generating activities, which is really communicating with your audience, with the people that are going to do business with you, and not trying to keep their communication straight between 2 different softwares. Okay. So we helped him to cut down on the time and to allow him to actually increase his business, help with communication. So what I am offering today is I want to just, give you a simple recap, and then I'm going to tell you how you can get an audit with me. I can help you audit what you have right now and show you the things that you can do better. Okay. So yeah, the recap is basically complexity is your enemy. Okay. Complexity is your enemy. It complicates things. It increases the room for error. It makes your life more difficult. Unified systems are your friend. I'm offering a few local business owners a free tech stack audit where I map out exactly where your systems are broken and how much you can save consolidating. So either DM me the word software, or I'm going to put a link below the video. Once I get off the video, you can schedule a call there. But DM me the word software, or maybe drop it in the comments if you are interested in a free audit for me to look at what you have going on with your systems right now, show you some places that you can be more efficient so that you can save time, energy, be more efficient in your communication, focus on actually getting more sales, getting more clients than you are in managing the ones that you have. I mean, yes, you want to manage the ones that have you, but you want to do it efficiently so that you can attract more and better and higher quality clients because you're doing things more efficiently. Okay. So schedule a call with me. Let me take a look at what you have going on. Let me show you where we can become more efficient with your business. And if you want to work further with me, that's fine. If not, that's fine too. But let me take a look and see where we can save you some time, money, energy, and where you can cut some costs and time efficiency. Okay. That is what I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this was helpful. But really, honestly, do an audit. Even if you schedule a call with me, do your own audit. Let's see what you come up with, and let's take a look at it together. The call is free. I am here to serve you and help you do things better. As a local business owner, I know your time is everything. So let's do it.